So we set the under Cucumber options. So we set the feature file path, and glue means a step definition file path. This is the step definition file path. And plugin, so what type of reports you want and where. So under a target folder, you're saying, see, target folder, HTML report. So this is the project directory. It will create a JSON underscore output folder. Under that, you can find this. So monochrome true, you have to give. So monochrome true, if you give, your console output will be a readable format. So publish, you are publishing the reports and just run this, right click, run as Java JUnit test, sorry. Run as JUnit test. It's very faster because it's APIs, right? It's a very, very fast. And you can see each step, feature file, and then what are all the different, see this get API users, get all users, this the scenario outline, and this the scenario outline. Why scenario outline twice? 2 times, 2 sets of data. You can see first 1 and the second time 2, the page 2. So get API to list single user not found. So these are done. You can see the report here. So now it's in a readable format, right? Otherwise, this all it won't be readable. See first scenario. So that related methods it will show here. So each step wise, the related methods you can see here. See that. So step definition package, this class, this is the method representing this step. So this step and this will represent. So each step, the left side is showing the feature file, and the right side is showing a step definition file method. Which method? So this step related method, where is that? So that's the one. And also this and this one, and expected email and all this printing. And if you want to see the reports, you can just go here and so nice report, you will get it. See this the report, and you can see 100% passed, 5 executed 2 minutes ago, this one. And you can see this. So each step status, you will get a pass like this. If anything failed, it will show failed. So this is the one. So each step it is showing passed. So this is the nice, see, anybody can read these English statements, right? That's a plain English readable scenarios will be developed in the feature file, and the logic will be implemented in the step definition files. Any questions? Okay. So let's go to the next one. So post method, right? The post method. So we have seen here the post, right? For post method, what we need to give? So the body you have to give. So how can you give this body? So to give this body, we are going to use request. You can store in the so object mapper will be there, and those inside you can store in the map this key value. So that I'll show you how to do that, and then we can see that. Let's go. And first try develop the, feature file. Then we can develop the step definitions. So let me take here, request. See this. So feature, request post API feature, scenario, request post API to create user scenario, given provide valid endpoint to create the user. When I send the request to the server with the request body, then I validate the create user response status code 201. This is the data table again. And validate the create user response body fields. So the second one also scenario outline. Scenario outline means, it is used for creating the multiple users. So request post API to create more users. Given provide valid endpoint to create user. This is also same. So you can develop only this one once. That's enough. So when I send the request to the server with request body as name parameter, job parameter. So I already told you parameters how to write. So for the string type, so you have to put, so within double quotes, backward slash double quote, in the parenthesis inside, square bracket, and you have to give backward slash and star, right? That's the, so you have to write that. A regular expression, basically that one, to represent these parameters. And again, this one is a data table. Then I validate the create user response status code and validate the create user response body fields. So these are the, these are the two parameters, right? Name parameter, job parameter. So name is Marfis leader, and this one show another name. So these are the two things you have to develop. It's the same. Go always take this and develop it. That's it. Other than that, nothing. Same way how you will develop at the rate symbol you put parenthesis this one. So before we used to have a, if you give this entire scenario, right, it will give automatically the step definition code. So step definition code you have to give. Automatically it used to give, but that is not there. Now before there was a plugin for Chrome. So TD Gherkin plugin was there, but now it's not there. Now we need to write. Otherwise, it's easy to write. Automatically the tool, the plugin will give you the Gherkin code. Okay. So anyhow, no problem. Yeah. See this? So response. This is the same way what we developed. So this is the new thing, JSON object equal to new JSON object. So we are storing your request body inside this map. So that's the JSON object class. This class is available in org.json. So package, JSON object package. So First one, provide valid endpoint. That's the same. RestAssured.base URI. You specify the base URI, and then base path also you set it. Then when I send the request to the server with request body, so see that this object reference dot put method name, so you can give any name, and JSON object dot put job value you have to give, and so response equal to rest assured dot given dot header, so accept application JSON header content type. See, this is the given, we are passing the body. How you are passing the body? So request body you are passing. So JSON object dot to string. So this one already stored. It will store that JSON object dot to string. When so post. So the here already your URL is ready. So this is the post method / users. So base URL and service endpoint is enough. Nothing is there. So that's what this will be exactly your post URL. So when just call the post method directly. Then so content type, if you want, you can try this. Otherwise, no need. Extract dot response method. So you're extracting the response and storing here. Then I validate the create user response status code. So this is a data table, right? Data table DT. And list of string expected data equal DT dot as list method. So as list method, you have to write int expected status code equal to integer dot parse int expected data dot get of 0. Expected data dot get of 0. So assertions dot assert equals, so resp dot get status code. So we are getting the status code and the expected status code. So please catch this one. If you have any doubt, let me know here. So why you are so doing this? So why you are doing it? So are you clear on this, Swati? Maleshwari?
Yes, Ramesh, we are converting the string into integer using this.
Integer, yeah, exactly. And see how I am reading the data table, the feature file data to your step defined file using data table concept. So because that is defined in the step inside. So the step inside, this step inside, if you declare like this is the data table concept. So that data table concept always you have to declare. So parameter data table DT. So DT as list. So that's the how you can do that. Next. So validate the create user response body fields. So response dot path name. I'm getting the from response the name value, and see that this is the one. So serialization and deserialization is occurring here. So JSON object dot get. So you stored here, right? So in the map you stored. Now how can you get that value? With a JSON object dot get method. So name. So I'm getting the actual name from the response body, and the so already what the input I have given in the request body. So request body, whatever I given, I'm getting. So both I'm comparing. So then it should be same. So the request body and the response body data, the name value should be same. Same way. So job value also should be same. So I'm comparing that. So this is the very important concept here. You need to understand. You are getting the response. Here you got the response body value, and this is the request body what you have given. Both we are comparing. So next, see that I send the request to the server with request body as string and string. Otherwise, you can write a regular expression also. If you don't want, you can write like this also. You can write a regular expression also. So JSON object dot put, say two parameters, string name, string job. So name, this one, job, this one. Rest equal to rest assured dot given. So this is the very important. So what is the difference here and here? Here and here. Here I am passing the parameter. This name and job you are getting from here. The values. You're getting the values. See, that's why I'm not hard coding. And this parameter name only I'm passing here. So this parameter name only you're passing. So then post method, then response you got it. Same thing you are validating. This same step is there. That's why I didn't write duplicate step. So it will be same. So this is the another so post request. You can develop same way for the put also. Same. This is the same code. So you don't need to do anything extra, but only one we have written. So you don't need this one. This one. You don't need this one. Only this one. First part. This part. Which one you want to update? So instead of post, you can put a put here. That's it. Okay. So let's run this. Now it will show both the. So I have to right click this one. Then test. Now both the test cases will run. See that? So both the test cases are run. And click this report. And you can go see this. Before only 2, right? Now see 8 executed. So all are passed. So this is the post and this is the get. So this is the post one. And this is the get one. So like this, you can get the report also. Okay. Yeah. So that's it. So tomorrow we'll see put and delete. And then we can finish the, so this, and we'll discuss on resume points